Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, assets, plugins, and the correct project file. Open Retro Studio and load your target project so changes apply in context. Once done, switch to the build workspace and inspect the build configuration panel. This is where output paths, naming, and formats live. Make sure build targets match your intended platform, since an incorrect target causes failed exports. You're setting up the exact environment the build system expects before you trigger any save or export actions. Now you configure detailed settings so the saved build is reproducible. Select an output path and file name template and decide whether to overwrite existing builds or create version folders. This avoids accidental loss. Next, choose the target platform plus compression and optimization levels to balance size versus performance. Once configured, run a local test build. This creates logs and artifacts you can inspect. If logs show warnings, address them now so the final saved build will be reliable and deployable. Execute the final save or export command and watch the progress indicator until the success dialog appears. This writes the build artifacts to your chosen path. After saving, verify by running the build on the target device or emulator to confirm functionality and integrity. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Review the build logs for error lines, confirm you have enough disk space, and ensure dependency versions match the project. As a key tip, rerun the test build with verbose logging to capture the fault cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.